In this lesson, we will see together the negative pronouns, but more precisely, we will see ne, ni, ni. So the first thing that we need to define is the negative pronouns. So these pronouns indicate the absence of something. These negative pronouns are typically used with ne in a similar way to ne pas. So remember, this is the negative form, ne pas. So it means that instead of pas, we will use the negative pronouns. So we will have ne and then your negative pronoun here. So this lesson is about ne, ni, ni. And the negative pronoun ne, ni, ni can be translated into English as neither, nor, or not, or. So we will see some examples of ne, ni, ni. Je ne mange ni viande, ni poisson. Je ne mange ni viande, ni poisson. Il ne parle ni anglais, ni allemand. Il ne parle ni anglais, ni allemand. Nous ne voulons ni café, ni thé. Nous ne voulons ni café, ni thé. Elle ne regarde ni les séries, ni les films. Elle ne regarde ni les séries, ni les films.